Digital Affinity Profiles. Imagine two households that live on the same street, a retired couple and a young family. These households have different interests and fall into different audiences. How do we distinguish between them without relying on personal data? Our dynamic audience targeting technology analyzes and understands your audience's unique online and offline behavior. Where they live, what content they consume, and when they consume it. For example, the retired couple might be watching gardening videos at 11 a.m. on a Thursday. The young family might be reading parenting advice at 9 p.m. on Friday. Our cookieless technology analyzes your audience and creates thousands of bidding rules based on their behaviors. These combinations of location, publisher, and time are used to find and reach your audience and not accidentally the audience next door. With Digital Affinity Profiles, you can see this technology at work. Select your audience and click on the publisher icon. Here you can see which publishers are most likely to be viewed by your audience, and you can filter by time of day. Click on the publisher to see the locations in which your audience is most likely to interact with that publisher. When you activate a campaign, our system automatically generates combinations of locations, publishers, and times that are unique to your audience. Digital Affinity Profiles from Blis, a truly unique planning and buying platform.